Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Leonor Gomez here. I wanted to go downstairs and do a little video, but there's people downstairs having like a little, I think it's a line because they're picking up some food and stuff. So it was gonna be very noisy. So I just came on to say happy Tuesday, everyone. If you're watching this live, well, I don't know if people are going to catch it live because I am just here for like a few minutes. But anyhow, share where you're tuning in from. And if you don't see this red button right here, it's because you're catching the replay. Please hashtag replay so I can just welcome you for being here. Today is Tuesday. I just came very quick to show something to you. I was gonna make it on a post, but then I said, let me switch it up and change it up a bit and just make a video. A little live, actually, not a video. I said it wrong. I had my coffee, but it's not sinking in, people, okay? No, it hasn't helped. Like, I need like 3 more. Yeah, probably not a good idea. No. I see someone is on, but I can't see who it is. So hi, thank you for tuning in. Again, my name is Leonor Gomez. Sorry, I'm trying to see over here. I want to share my results today, and I am going to do it here on the live. Hola, cuñado. So this is what I've made so far with the program that I am on. Okay, so people love proof, so this is why I'm doing this, so people can see. Let me see, how can I change it? All right, so here, you see, where is it? Okay, you see it says my name right there. It says Leonor Gomez, that is me. And this is the amount that I've earned so far, which is amazing, right? Again, I'm gonna show, it says my name right there. And this is the amount I've made so far. Why am I doing this like this? Because tomorrow, Wednesday, we are having an awesome webinar where we are going to share what we do, what to expect, and so much more. But the most important thing is that we are going to share testimonials of the team. I don't know why my coffee's not kicking in. Like, I don't know. I have a love and hate relationship with my coffee. Anywho, hi everyone. I can't see who's on, but hi. So tomorrow there's gonna be an amazing webinar that I would love for you guys to join and just hear and learn about us, which we are an amazing community. And yeah, that's all. Like, I just wanted to share my results because a lot of people like, yeah, do you really? I'm like, yeah, I'm really doing it. So please, if I sound like I'm rambling, my apologies. I don't know, I didn't sleep very well. Hi David. Thank you, same to you. So yes, I showed my results. They're there. It is possible. So if you want more information, please reach out to me and I will be glad to give you all the info, share it with you, and please come join me at the webinar tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time. I will not mess with the time zones because I always mess it up. And yeah, my kids are in the background trying to kill themselves. They're trying to kill each other. Like, that's nothing new. Hi Rhonda. So yeah, hi Michelle. So like I said, I shared my results already. I'm going to do it for one more time so you can see. It says Leonor Gomez. Me, that's me right here. And come join us tomorrow for the webinar. And come just learn and have some fun and listen to the testimonials and all that good stuff. So stay blessed. Yeah, I see some happy faces, people laughing. See, I love to make people laugh. I do not see myself being funny at all. But other people seem to differ. Other people seem to differ. So I'm going to show my screen on my computer one more time so people can see. Let me go this way. Sorry, my curtain is still not on for some reason. That's my name, Leonor Gomez. And this is what I've made so far up to date. Okay? And I want to be, oh, Jesus, did I do something? Okay. I want to be clear. I've been in a lot of opportunities and I have made zero money with any of them. This is the first time. So it is newbie friendly and it is amazing for seasoned people as well. So that's all I wanted to share, everyone. So I hope you're having an amazing Tuesday. Let's crush it. Crush it? Yes, let's crush it. Let's make it a blessed one. Let's make it an amazing one. Take care. Bye-bye.